Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could take a look. Link will be down below. Check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this out to you in no time. Here it is, Avolusion HD 1TB external hard drive for the Xbox One. Pre-formatted, so great to have this thing, especially now how games are pretty crazy. And we're gonna go upstairs and check this out, because I just got Madden, started playing that maybe an hour yesterday or the day before when it came out, Tuesday. There we go. But there's so many games coming out this season, so might want to stock up on these great stocking stuffers. Empty box. There we go. Alright, standard package. Portable storage, 1 TB, USB 3.0. There's a sticker right there. Windows compatible, Mac. Swappable. Alright. There's all the good stuff. Take a look inside. Like I said, we'll go upstairs and check it out. Definitely, these are come in handy. Plus, you can use it for your laptop or any other devices you have that need extra storage. But for sure, this is going on the Xbox, because with the EA access and all that good stuff, definitely needed one of these. So thank you guys over at Avolusion. And YouTubers, you guys could get a nice color, really lightweight. So there's that, and what else? And the USB. So we're gonna go upstairs, show you guys how to cook it up really quick. Here we go. Come on. Nice and secured. Alright, so there we go. There's that. Let's go into the source right here in 2 pieces. There we go. Nice and easy. Xbox, here I come. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are upstairs now. We got the Xbox One custom Lions one up. If you guys want to get the skinnets, links will be down below also. And got this controller. If you want to get this one also, there'll be links down below for that too. Really sweet. Got the fire in black. And now here she is, the Avolusion 1 TB for the Xbox. And we got good old Madden in the background. And this is the, I think, 40-inch RCA. I'll leave the link down below for the TV also if you guys need a good one for like a good spare gaming room. I will go to my games, my apps. Okay, see, got some apps here. Games. There's the storage right there, so everything transferred really cool. So plenty of time. That game's pretty tough. But now, definitely we're going to be going into Madden. I might do a game on here to show you guys if you haven't played it yet. Pretty sweet so far. I've been doing the MUT, so Ultimate Team. There's a few, but now I gotta do is get some of my games that I already installed. See, here's my list of had to uninstall them. So bring a few up and make room for more now, since we got the new fall season ahead. A lot of sweet games coming out. And I'll leave the link down below for some pre-order games too for the Xbox One. So definitely check them out on Amazon Prime. And that's about it, YouTubers. We have the Avolusion 1TB external for your Xbox. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, and have a good weekend. See ya.